बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। How are you all? I hope you all are fine. First of all, kids, open your science book and turn to page number 120 of your book. Today we are going to learn about what is vibration. Now let's do a small activity of vibration. Now kids, it is a ruler and we fix one end of ruler by pressing it hard, and we hit the other end with the toy hammer. Now we hit with toy hammer. Now look, ruler start moving up and down. It was moving up and down. This quick back and forth movement is called vibration. Now look again. The quick back and forth movement is called vibration. Now try it yourself. Do you hear the sound of ruler? Yes. Now kids, your today's task is do this activity at your home and do question number 2 and 3, page number 121 in your notebook. Jazakallah kids.